grey crown cranes are indicators of environmental health. So since 2003, I've been working to make sure that I change the trend of decline in the population. We engage communities to restore degraded wetlands. We have restored over 100 hectares in Kabare. We have restored about 20 hectares in Masaka or in the Rwengo area. And these restored areas now are being used, one, by cranes for breeding. Other birds are also using them for feeding, for breeding, for flying around. But in addition to the restoration for the other biodiversity, people who degraded it are now getting other benefits: ropes, firewood, mudfish, medicine, fruits, and so on from this very wetland. Then finally, we support communities with other livelihood projects like goats, like chicken, so that if they stop using the wetlands, then they have other ways of survival.
Ati chiwambuze chikwatirene n'entuha zikaza harigire mwabo kugira ngo abantu bakanu bakira kuhinga kisara mbwenu ati kuba bingiremo abantu ekisara ati chihotokire cyagarukaho ati kikigarukiro ati n'entuha zurumu.
We determine our successes in terms of how many pairs are breeding this year, how many pairs are breeding next year, and what is their breeding success. We are seeing more young ones being born and getting into maturity than what it used to be. So I think when we conduct the next census in about 2 or 3 years, we will get to around 10,000 grey crown cranes, and we will say, thank you God, we have done some good work.